DAPU company, located in Hebei Province of China, is engaged in designing, manufacturing, and exporting different types of wire mesh machines. We cooperated with our Italy and German partners to develop high-class machines for customers around the world. We have our own manufacturing plant and R&D department with advanced techniques. Our main products are reinforcing mesh welding machine, 3D fence panel machine, chicken cage welding machine, roll mesh welding machine, chain link fence machine, barbed wire machine, field fence machine, hexagonal white netting machine, gabion machine, expanded metal machine.